Hello from South Wales. I have some time off uni at the moment, so I thought I'd bring you along with me for the day. Not every day is as chilled and peaceful as this. I love cosy videos, but they do give the impression that people spend the entire day pottering around. But this is how I like to spend my days off, being outdoors as much as possible. The birds are becoming less frequent in the garden as they're nest building, so we found an old pillow and put some feathers in the garden for them, and they absolutely love it. Some of them a bit too much. I watered the flowers in the garden, and despite our small little garden, this can take a while. We literally have to have a spreadsheet of all the flowers and vegetables we're trying to grow at the moment, which are all numbered. But these two are sunflowers and borage flowers. I potted a beautiful perennial flower that my mum found at B&Q with the fitting name Bleeding Heart. It has these really little delicate flowers, I think they're lovely. Our garden birds are surprisingly fussy and weren't eating the cheaper bird seed that we bought, so we tried to make some seed balls for the allotment birds instead, so hopefully they enjoy them. And if the birds don't eat them, I think Skye's happy to take one for the team. Me and Skye went on one of our favourite walks. It's in the city but feels 100 miles away. And this majestic tree is my favourite tree, an English oak tree. Despite being in the city, it's often really quiet up here. It's one of my favourite walks because it's accessible. Skye is such a cutie. bluebells are slowly starting to show through, and soon these woods will have a thick blanket of them. I love how they pop up and grace you with their presence and soon disappear, making you appreciate them even more. And I love how they're a sign of seasons changing as well. First you start to see the snowdrops, then the daffodils, and then the bluebells. The magnolias are flowering through at the moment as well. Spring is such a magical time, and I hope you get to go outside and find any small space you can to appreciate life around you. And if not, I hope this video brings you a sense of wonder instead. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!